Hey, what's up? It's Jeption Mutai here. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I share tips and expert advice on freelance and business. In this video, I'll show you how to add XML sitemap to your WordPress blog or website using Yoast SEO plugin. The XML file created can be added to Google and Bing Webmaster Tools to increase organic search traffic to your site or blog. Stay tuned. Looking for professional screencast video production services? Request a free quote on www.techtubstudio.com. The most easy and convenient way to do this is using the Yoast SEO plugin. Step 1. Install the Yoast SEO plugin by clicking on Plugins and selecting Add New. Search for Yoast SEO plugin and click Install and Activate. Once the plugin is installed, a menu item titled SEO will be created on the left side of the WordPress admin page. Step 2. Open Yoast SEO plugin by clicking on SEO and selecting General. Step 3. Click on Features. Step 4. Look for XML Sitemap and click on to activate. Click on the small question mark here to see the link to the XML sitemap. Click on the link See the XML sitemap to open and see the details on a new tab. Step 5. On the new window, copy the XML file link and use it anywhere it's needed, including Google and Bing Webmaster Tools. And that is it from me here. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Until next time, bye bye and take care. My name is Jeption Mutai. Follow me on Twitter at Jeption. Looking for professional screencast video production services? Request a free quote on www.techtubstudio.com.